Today we're going to plant some Indian corn, and this is just for the fall decorations. And I doubt if I have a ton of it, I might try to grind some. I've got a little grinder, a little corn grinder, and make some cornbread or whatever, but we'll see. But I'm up here at the very corner of my property. I'm pretty much isolated from everything. Not that it matters that much, but we bought this up in Pennsylvania. We went up there last year or last fall, and this was pretty cheap. And I thought it, well, I'll shell it and put the seed out. Well, the other day we did an Ace Hardware, and they had this, and they had their seed 70% off. So I got this for like $1.10 or something like that. So I think I might keep that and plant this instead. So I really like this. I really like this ear corn, the color of it. It's that burgundy color or whatever. It's cool. So then we're getting a tropical storm coming through. So that's why I want to get this in here real quick before it rains, so it'll give it a good start. I should till this. I'm up here, like I said, the very corner of my property, and it's actually one of my favorite places to come. I like to come up here and think about my son's school and life in general, and I look down there and I see all the stuff I got to do, and it kind of makes me depressed. But anyway, we're going to put it right here. I'm going to try to get 3 rows in, right down through here. And I'm having to hold my camera because I didn't bring my good tripod. I want to do it old school. Got my hoe. So we're going to make a trough, and we're going to plant by hand. And then we're going to cover it up, and then we're going to wait for it to come up. I was thinking up here, just a little side note, if I would have if I could buy my neighbor's property, there's a service road that comes right down through here for the railroad had a signal there. And I thought if I bought that, I would make this like a little family graveyard right here. That way you could drive the hearse down here easy and unload it. Of course, I'd cut all these trees down and stuff. But I could stay here, and anyway. So I don't guess that's going to happen. It's like it's going to come rain. I reckon we'll ever get that property. We kind of hope to, but that's neither here nor there. It's got nothing to do with corn, right? All right, let me get my hoe out here, and we'll see if we can get something going. And I know it looks weedy, but I got the old weed master up here on this. I'm talking about Allison. I really should till this, but I don't know how long of a rows. Let's try that. So this is half a pound of Indian OP corn. And what it looks like. Well, it's got some interesting colors to it. So I don't know, like if this burgundy color will come up burgundy like that cob or whatever. So we'll try it and see. Thought about doing my hoss cedar, but I didn't want to get it out. Okay, I got it in there. It's fixing to rain. Back then I yakking about dying and all that stuff. I got this done. I went and got wet. All right, I got it in, covered up. Got just maybe just a handful. I might go back tomorrow night and get me another bag of that stuff if I got any more. And we'll finish this out. All right, appreciate you watching. Have a good Sunday afternoon. Sports Local Farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.